Our teammate Didarul has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, can you give me an idea how long this meeting is?
No. We will finish within 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So this is our website, fsdfreelancehelp.com. You will find all of our contact information and all about us in this website. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And we have lot of buyer meeting whole around the world. And some of them I have attached in my client meeting sections. If you go to my client meeting sections, then you will find some of buyer meeting I have attached here. And maximum of our buyer from USA, Australia, Japan, Czech Republic, and whole about the world. Just a minute. This page is take little bit time to loading. Just a minute. Okay, sir. As you see, these guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys from also USA, these guys from France, these guys from Czech Republic, and many more guys from Australia, Japan. If you go next, then you will find another client meeting. And if you go next, then you will find a lot of client meeting I have attached here. And we work with them for a long time. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, fsdfreelancer.com. In this YouTube channel, I have gained 144K subscriber and uploaded 139 videos. And if you go to my videos popular sections, then you can see 1 million views, 544K views, 414K views, and many more. And all of the views I have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency. So our teammate Didarul has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. Then if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So are you interested to our service, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So basically, we will provide YouTube SEO related service. SEO means search engine optimizations. We will
I know what
optimize.
it means. I know
Yeah.
what it means. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So we will basically optimize your video title, we will optimize your video description, and we will research high volume rank tag for your video. And when you put that high volume rank tag to your video, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will go get more organic views and go on top. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages. For weekly packages, we will do your 10 video SEO optimization and it costs $120. And another package is monthly packages. For monthly packages, we will do you 30 video SEO and it costs $300 for a month, sir.
So weekly is 10 videos a month for 120.
Yeah.
And or monthly is 30 videos for
30
300.
video for 300. Yeah. So which one do you choose, sir?
Well, I don't actually understand because your colleague told me that it was going to take 2 to 3 weeks and it was going to cost me around $250.
Yeah, you can also take that package, no problem.
But like, when does this ever start and finish? When does it finish? Like, what's broken? So what are you actually doing? You're just doing SEO for each of the videos?
Yeah. We will optimize your each video title, tag, and description. Basically, we will research high volume rank tag for your videos. And when you put that high volume rank tag to your video, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will go on top.
And do you do the thumbnails included in that price?
If you want, our service is not included thumbnail, but if you want, we can assist with that.
Why doesn't your services include thumbnails? Isn't that an important part of the SEO process?
No, thumbnail is part of design. So we are expert in SEO. So we not provide thumbnail design service, sir.
Well, it's not that difficult. Come on, you can do it. You're
Yeah,
smart.
if you want, then our teammate will try, and if you choose our design, then he will make your thumbnail also, no problem.
Would it be included in the price?
Yeah, we'll try it free of cost, included.
And these are Canadian dollars, of course, right?
No, USD.
Well, I'm in Canada.
So you want to pay with Canadian dollar?
Of course.
Okay, no problem.
Are you in Bangladesh or India?
Yeah, Bangladesh, from Bangladesh.
from Dhaka.
Yeah, Dhaka. Oh, you know Bangladesh very well.
I spent 3 months there with the Red Cross
Oh,
many years ago.
if you come next time, must communicate with us, sir.
Okay,
You have invitation.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I actually already have a guy from Bangladesh doing this work.
Okay.
And so I was curious to see, and he started actually, he kind of approached me in December. And I guess I've been using him probably since February. And so he's been fixing the videos. And the subscription has increased. It went from about 300 to where it is now, 700. But I don't really see it ever ending. Like it's a constant process, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I actually am taken care of from a nice Bengali fellow. So I thank you for your time and your opinions, and I won't waste any more of your time.
Okay, sir. No problem. So, I have a offer for you. If you take our one or two video as a judgment base, if you think our process is working for you, then you can take our weekly or monthly package. We will do your one or two video at first. Then, if you satisfied with our work, then you can go for a package, sir. Okay, sir.
You're offering to do one of my videos just as a test run?
Yeah, as a test.
Sure. Which one do you want to do?
Just you just send that video link to our teammate, and he will optimize you two video. And if you satisfied with that, then you can hire us for a 1 week or a month.
Okay, I'll send you a couple of videos, or one video or two. What
One
do you want
or
me to send you?
one or two as you wish. Just send the video link to our teammate, then he will optimize, sir.
Okay, it's
Okay,
coming.
sir.
Thanks so much.
Okay, sir. Thanks for your time. And if you come to Bangladesh ever, you just communicate with us. So my institute and my agency name is FSD Freelance Help, and my play button is hanging behind me, as you see. So
Yeah.
we will try to make you satisfied, and we will try our best to grow your channel, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and thanks again for your time, sir. Bye for now.
You too. Take good care.
Yeah, take care.
Bye now.
Bye now.